I'm your friend Shane Carling with Affiliate Nation. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can connect your Instagram with your personal Facebook so that you can have more organic traction. So Instagram is owned by Facebook now, apparently, right? So you can connect the two. And if you haven't done this already, a lot of people will connect their Instagram with the fan page, or they'll have a business profile on Instagram. If you don't have tens of thousands of followers, it's not really necessary. It's actually quite nice if you can connect your Instagram account and not make it a business profile and then connect that with your personal profile on Facebook. There's a setting you can do. If you click the settings on Instagram, you can have it linked up with your personal profile on Facebook so that when you do a story on Instagram, it'll automatically share that same story on Facebook. So you're really getting the best of both worlds. Now, the key with Instagram stories is if you're promoting a product, service, or opportunity, most people are watching Instagram stories to watch lifestyle stuff, okay? But you want to find a good, healthy mix. A good mix would be, say, 60% lifestyle, 40% business, or 70-30. Find a ratio that works for you, but somewhere within that realm is a really, really good mix. When you're doing your Instagram stories, you can start off by your whole in the morning and start to map out what you're going to do and try to make your Instagram stuff entertaining, okay? Entertaining. You don't want it to be super polarizing, so I'd recommend kind of steer clear of, the conspiracy theory stuff. Some people get really caught up on that, but what's better is just have some fun. Find moments where you're doing something. Maybe you're eating a meal, you're at a restaurant, you're visiting some friends, you're at an event, and just get into the habit of take your phone out and share that story on Instagram. And a couple keys are tag other people. If there's other people on Instagram, tag them. All you have to do on Instagram is just swipe up and you can mention somebody. If you're at a location, add the location. What's going to happen is when you're tagging people and you're adding locations in your Instagram stories, you're going to get more eyeballs because someone you've tagged might repost or share that story on their Instagram, giving you more potential exposure and possibly helping you grow your Instagram account. All right. So really, really simple stuff, but super, super, super effective. Again, when you're doing your business posts, whether it's a call to action or a hype post, or you're building anticipation about a product, service, or opportunity, or you're just sharing results, remember this. You want to make stuff profound. So try to build a storyline, because if you're all lifestyle, people don't know that you're business. If you're all business, people can't really relate to that. So you want to find the healthy mix. Most of it should be lifestyle. 30 or 40% should be about business. Try to be consistent with that. In your bio on Instagram, if you don't have 10,000 followers, you can't get people to swipe up, but you can direct people to click the link in your bio. So put the link for whatever it is that you're promoting in your bio on your Instagram account, and that's going to help people follow a call to action, because sometimes you're going to say, hey guys, we're launching something amazing right now. You want to be first. Click the link in my bio. Get registered. Don't miss out on this. This is going to be absolutely huge. So you can do a Instagram post like that. All right. Have some fun. Sometimes there are some settings that you can modify the look on Instagram. Get creative on your Instagram stories. But the main thing is have fun. Be entertaining. Be educational. So be informative. Educate people through your Instagram stories, but be entertaining. Consider yourself an entertainer and an education expert. So you're like an edutainer. That's what I call it, okay? We're in the era of the edutainers. So if you follow these strategies, connect your personal Instagram with your personal Facebook page, if you get up to 5,000 friends on Facebook, you can have a lot of potential views, and you can continue to build up your Instagram. Now, the other nice thing about doing that is when you make a post on Instagram, it shares that post on Facebook as well. So again, you're hitting those two markets. When you do a post on Instagram, you can use an app called #expert. #expert. When you use #expert, if your post was about health, or whether it was about fitness, or whether it was about business or crypto or whatever, you can use #expert, type in a main keyword, whether it's crypto, fitness, health, etc., mindset, meditation, mindfulness, stretching, yoga, whatever, and it will generate a bunch of different hashtags, and you're going to copy those hashtags, and then on your post, right after you post it, you want to do this. You click on the comments button, and then you paste all of those hashtags. And what Hashtag Expert will do is it'll create some dots, so people looking at your post don't see the hashtags because they're going to be buried. And it will have those hashtags. And what's going to happen is now that post will be getting a lot more traction to your non-exposed audience on Instagram, so you can have a lot of potential reach there. Anyways, have a lot of fun with your Instagram. Get to work on your social media marketing. Organic marketing takes time and consistency, but over time, you really can see a massive compounding effect if you're consistent at it. Try to post, 2 or 3 times a day. 2 or 3 times a day on Facebook, and make, anywhere from 4 to a dozen stories on Instagram. If you're caught up on an adventure, maybe you want to share a little bit more than that, but try to do at least 6 or 7 stories on Instagram. That way, your audience knows you're live. Be consistent with it. Try to make stuff every single day. It's okay to take a day off here and there, but really get on the stuff with Instagram stories so that it shares on Facebook. Make your post on Instagram. They share it on Facebook as well. Sometimes if you've written a caption on Instagram, you're going to go to Facebook and you're going to edit that post just to give more spaces between your paragraphs. When you're doing a paragraph on Facebook, try to have no more than 3 lines per paragraph. That way it's easier for the eyes to see. I hope you have a lot of fun, got a lot of value from this. My name is Shane Carlin with Affiliate Nation. And if you want to learn how to start a digital franchise, there may or may not be a link around here, but you can always go to affiliatenation.io or highticketnation.com and learn how we can help you really 10x your results by starting a digital franchise. Take care. God bless.